Xiaomi Amazfit Stratos 3 are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. Xiaomi Amazfit Stratos 3 from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. Display is Super AMOLED 1.34-inch full round MIP transflective TFT resolution 320 by 320. If you want to updated price, another information, be sure check my description below. So, we jump the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button. Xiaomi Amazfit Stratos 3. Display type 1.34-inch full round MIP transflective TFT resolution 320 by 320. Memory 2 GB. Waterproof rating 5 ATM. Sensors: BioTracker PPG BioTracking optical sensor, 6-axis acceleration sensor, 3-axis geomagnetic. Battery life: daily use mode 14 days. Heart rate always on, sleep monitoring 150. Basic watch mode 46 days. Supported devices: Android 5.0 or iOS 10.0 and above. GPS navigation, professional GPS sensors. Case diameter 48.6 mm. Case thickness 13.4 mm. Strap length 120 mm, long 75 mm, short. Strap width 22 mm. Product link description below.